Welcome to me and my brother. Today we're reading our paper sushi. First is Fabina's watermelon sushi.
No, first is Chips Ahoy.
Oh.
Okay, guys. Okay, I will rate it about like a 9 out of 10. It's really satisfying. After my watermelon sushi, it's my smallest sushi.
But I have some even smaller one.
I will really like the 5 out of 10. It's not that satisfying, but
Okay, next is my buddy. What is it? Okay, I'll rate it like a 9.5. No, 8.5 out of 10. Next
your side.
is
You did two tries.
Fabiana's paw. Fabiana's paw.
Yeah. A 10 out of 10.
Okay, next.
You did 3 turns, okay? So you're
Next is my Pop Tart. This is my first very good paper.
yeah, actually.
Okay, a 10 out. Definitely a 10 out of 10. Next is my smiley face Nito. My smiling face Nito. It's a clicky. It's like a clicker. I don't really like it. A 6 out of 10.
Okay, now my turn.
Wait, no, one more.
There's no one more.
Wait, so it's next.
Is
Wait. Next is
my
Fabiana's Fruit Loop.
yeah. Oh my god. A 10 out of 10. So perfect.
Next is
You did 1 try, so I got 1 try.
wait,
Okay, this is Marto's.
no, this is Fabiana. Remember?
Oh yeah.
It's Fabiana's Little Bites. Kind of paper sushi.
Yeah. And it has water inside, so I think it's really satisfying. Oh my god, I would really like to set out the load. You can even hear it.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
I set out.
next
Okay.
is
Okay, your turn. You got 2 tries, okay? Okay?
next is the smallest paper sushi in the world.
Yeah, he kept it inside a box.
Look,
You
it's
can't-
so small we can't even see it.
Yeah, let me show you.
No, I'll do.
Let's
Okay, I don't even think you can hear it, but let's try.
Yeah, close your mouth so you can't even hear it.
But only if it's like in your ear you can hear it. But a 7 out of 10. What do you?
He kept it inside a box. Wow, that's really
Because I
small.
really need to keep it. I really need to keep it. It's so.
That's your side. It's not my turn again.
Anyway, so next.
Wait, one more time for you, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Final one is a Doritos squishy. Wait. It's really good. You have to hear this though. Wait, I hear it myself. It's really good. 10 out of 10. Okay,
Not my
now
turn. The last
the last one
Okay, don't see it there.
is
Is
the slime dumpling made by Fabiana.
that's really hard. I don't know everything.
Yeah, I really hear it. Yeah.
Okay, I'll really sit outside. Okay, guys,
Bye.
bye. Wait.
No, stop.